Hey friends, let's draw a car and listen to the story of the little colorful car. Once upon a time, there was a little colorful car who lived in a big city. He loved to drive around and explore new places, but he always felt lonely. He wished he had a friend to share his adventures with. One day, he saw a sign that said "Car Show." He was curious and decided to check it out. He drove to the car show and saw many different cars of all shapes, sizes, and colors. He felt excited and hoped to make some friends. He approached a shiny blue car and said, "Hi, I'm colorful. What's your name?" The blue car looked at him and said, "I'm blue. I'm the fastest car in the city. You look slow and boring. Go away." Colorful felt sad and drove away. He tried to talk to a yellow car, but the yellow car said, "I am yellow. I'm the brightest car in the city. You don't look good. Go away." Colorful felt sadder and drove away. He tried to talk to a green car, but the green car said, "I'm green. I'm the most eco-friendly car in the city. You look old and dirty. Go away." Colorful felt even sadder and drove away. He wondered why no one wanted to be his friend. He felt like he didn't belong anywhere. He was about to leave the car show when he saw a pink car. She was small and cute. She smiled at him and said, "Hi, I'm Pink. What's your name?" Colorful was surprised and said, "I'm colorful. I'm just a little colorful car. No one wants to be my friend." Pink said, "That's not true. I want to be your friend. You look nice and friendly. Do you want to play with me?" Colorful felt happy and said, "Yes, I do. Thank you for being so kind to me." Pink said, "You're welcome. Come on, let's have some fun." Colorful and Pink became best friends. They decided to go on an adventure together. They left the car show and drove to the countryside. They saw beautiful mountains, lakes, and forests. They met friendly animals and people. They had the most wonderful time together. They realized that the world was full of amazing things and that they could enjoy them more with a friend by their side. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!